think I love Jordan 1s. You've already seen it. You've already seen it. Ha 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 ha. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's angels up above. Boom, 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 boom. Tick, 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 tick. The Jordan 1 High Retro OG Gym Red. Gym Red. I said Gym Red. And for all y'all out there that said, I'm not copying these, man. They look like they're not for resale. I'm not copying these, man. I don't need another black and red Jordan in 2019. I'm not copying these, man. I'm waiting for the shattered backboard 3.0 without the patent leather because I prefer the OG. But when Nike keep releasing OGs, I keep saying they releasing OGs, and I'm tired of them releasing OGs. I want them to release new shoes, but when they release new shoes, everyone asks for OGs because OGs are God. Nah. Gym Red Jordan 1. Let's get it. Let's look at the on foot and no, I'm not looking at on foot yet. Let's look at the close-up images right now. So, the reason I like these shoes is because it's a non-OG colorway. On the upper, we have leather. We have this glossy leather. Now, I'll be honest, when I first saw the glossy leather, I was like, I'm not finna have some shiny Jordans. No, not me, not Calf. I'm Calf. What am I doing with shiny crepes as a grown man paying bills? Now, seen them in hand, seen them in person. They're sick. They're fucking sick. This shoe, as it comes to non-OGs in 2019, now bearing in mind the pine green and court purple were non-OGs and you saw how well they did, sir and ma'am. Yes, sirree, we saw how well they did. I don't know why I'm talking somber. Let me get back to myself. Right, I'm Calf. You lot are awesome. Right, so the Gym Red Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. This shoe came out of nowhere. I say it came out of nowhere, but we've known about it for about 3 months. And now that it's dropped, I think it's fair to say they were executed a lot better than we thought they were. Now, going back to my rant at the beginning of the video, if you don't like bread Jordans, don't buy them, but don't put other people off them because there's something about black and red on a Jordan 1 that's just, it's just perfect. You hear that? You want to hear that again? It's perfect. Now, I'll be honest, there are some black and red iterations that are yet to come out that will be coming out later this year that I'm not really a fan of, and it's because I'm not a huge fan of red trimming, so red outlining. There's a Jordan 1 coming out this year that'll be black and red, but it's going to have red going all the way around all the details and the panels. Not really a fan of that, but we'll see when they drop, but I won't be copying that, and I can put my hand on my heart. It's not something that I'm going to switch on or change my mind on. My motto this year is hashtag same energy 2019. I want you to give every release the same energy you gave it when you first saw the first images. Boom. I don't want to see none of the big YouTubers buying the shattered backboard 3.0s because every single one of them said it was garbage. Apart from Jack Cousteau, or that Don with the glasses. But he's pretty positive about everything. He's similar to me. I tend to not talk about shoes I don't like because what's the point of harnessing negative energy? Having said that, I don't want to see any of the big YouTubers copying the shattered backboard 3.0, and I will not accept that you're buying it for a review just to show your fans and subscribers as an excuse. Nah! You need to leave that shoe alone and let the people that wanted it get it so then they can review it and sweep up all them views that you're trying to dismiss. I don't want to see any big YouTubers copying the shattered backboard 3.0s when they drop because every single one of them said it was trash. And Jordan, Nike, I hope you're watching because I don't want you sending free pairs to any of them dons. And you can say I'm hating, but I'm not hating. In fact, the Gym Red Jordan 1s. Now, you've got a black toe box. You've got white leather. You've got red leather on the medial and lateral sides. You've got this glossy black leather panels on the toe box, the side panels, and the rear heel counter as well as the ankle support. And what you'll find is also it's less glossy, it's not so shiny, and you've got a sort of what do you call it? A matte sort of painted leather red on the ankle counter as well, or the ankle support. It's a really well executed Jordan 1 in a bread colorway. Again, everyone is kind of hedging their bets on Jordan Brand and Nike releasing the Chicago 1s or re-releasing or retroing the Chicago 1s. Again, if you cop the SB LA to Chicago, you've pretty much got your Chicago for 2019 there. When I said Nike were going to be releasing a Chicago colorway shoe in, when did I say it? In February and March, people told me I was tripping. Bang, the SBs come out, no apologies. But it's cool. It's cool. I don't need an apology. I'm a grown man. We keep it moving. Now, anyway, let's look at some on-feet shots of these because I think these bang. I don't know what it is about Jordans. I think it's the use and the utilization of the sail midsole this year that's really making me like them. For me, I've always liked Jordan 1s. I was never able to cop. Now I've pretty much got all the Jordan 1s well, that's a lie. I was going to say I've got all the Jordan 1s I've ever wanted. I don't have Chicagos, I don't have Breads, I don't have Royals, but I've got all the remixes. So I've got the Bread Toe, and I've got the Game Royal, but I don't have the originals. I'm not too really bitter about that, but I do want the Shattered Backboard 3.0s because I like the distressed look. I don't know what it is about shoes, brand new shoes looking old. I will never do the high-end fashion one with those, is it Margellas or Balenciagas? I can't remember which brand it is, but they've done that high-end shoe that's about £800 and it's got glue stains and no, that's not what I mean. I mean stuff like the Nigel Sylvesters. I mean stuff like the Jordan 1 SBs where you can scuff away the paint. I like that kind of retro OG feel to a new shoe. So I'm all for it. So I will do everything I can in my power to get the Shattered Backboard 3.0s. I know this ain't a video about the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, but we might as well talk about it. And I've lost the other shoe because I think I threw it somewhere. But anyway, the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, they're glossy, the leather looks cracked and wrinkled, and it's been done on purpose. My prediction that I said on the 9th of June 2019 is that the reason they've done that is to mimic the whole glass shattered effect from the Alias Shattered Backboard. Again, I got plenty of DMs saying I'm tripping. I got plenty of DMs saying nah, I'm off. I got plenty of DMs saying they're whack. People called them the Vaseline, the Shattered Backboard Vaseline, the Shattered Backboard Durex, the Shattered Backboard, all sorts of stuff that I can't even say because it's X-rated, but fine. People don't like the shoe. I am keeping the same energy. Me, I think Ash Bash, shout out to him, shout out to DS Shorter on Instagram. We're keeping the same energy. When they drop, I want to see them sitting because I would say the majority of people's responses, you go back to Instagram accounts that have leaked the image. Go to Sneaker, well, I'm not going to tell you who to go to, you should know. Or you can just follow me and get all the news you want. Boom. But plenty of people, big blogs, YouTubers, vloggers, unboxers, they've all said the same thing. They thought the shoe was trash. Okay, cool. When the Zoom Terrakaiga's images first came out and it said it was women's exclusive, so many people were like, what's the point of buying shoes with spikes? No one's going to be able to wear them. How are people going to wear them? They sold out. People wanted them. Guys wanted them. Cool. When the Turbo Green Jordan 1s came out, and it had the SP season 2019, whatever, on the side in small print, people were like, oh, they're just copying Off-White. Why are all the new Nike shoes got Off-White text on the side? This ruined the shoe. I'm not getting that. Fugazi, blah, blah. Trash can juice, they're garbage, XYZ. People have put them in their top 3 Jordan 1s of the year. The same people that say they were rubbish are rating the Turbo Greens as the top 3 Jordans of the year. You go back to all the videos before the Turbo Greens dropped, and here's some of the comments from YouTube. Look at some of the comments on Instagram. Before they dropped, people were saying they were trash. and the original crimson tint. Everyone was calling them crimson tint, and then the pink ones came out, and they were called crimson tint. Nah, I'm talking about the crimson tint that came out just before or the same time as the turbo green that got the same SP season 2015 or season 2019. The black ones that are black, grey, and crimson tint. People said they were trash. They sold out. Now they may not be going for a lot on resale or StockX or whatever, but people said they're rubbish, everyone copped them. People said turbo greens were rubbish, everyone copped them. The only ones people have kept the same energy with were the couture ones, the leather ones that were Italian leather with the red band strap going around the back and the sell out sole. Fair enough, but they still kind of sold out. But they only sold out after a couple of days or weeks, so fair enough. People kept the same energy with that. I will be humbled by that, but that's one in like 15, 20. Like, just keep the same energy in it. People have said the Yeezy 500s that are white with the gum outsole that are coming out later this year, people are already going in on those saying 500s are trash. That's trash. Like, I don't know, man. All I'm saying is keep the same energy. Keep the same goddamn energy 2019. If you think it's trash now, you better still think it's trash in November or September, October when them shattered back balls drop. I think it's October, November. Please keep the same energy, please, because I want to cop them shoes and I want it to be easy. I want it to be so straightforward. I can go into a store and there's no queue, pick it off the shelf and say, can I get a size 10, please? Thank you very much. I've been Kath. This was meant to be about Gym Red ones. They're sick. I've worn them 4 times this week already and I've only had them for 6 days. They're sick, yeah? Mwah! Same energy 2019. Bleh.